I'm here at Lowe's and I'm going to show you guys some of the 75% off patio clearance. They have some pillows. They have some of your storage containers, or sometimes you could, they're plant stands, but these are not 75% off. So be careful if you run into your Lowe's saying, I told you that they was having everything at 75% off. No, some things are 75% off in the patio area. They have your outdoor rug. Some of them have your yellow clearance sticker. This is a quilt hammock. $45 was $129. These rugs don't have a huge discount yet, so we're not going to even get into that. Let's see what I can find for you guys at the up to keywords 75% off. So you may want to wait till after Labor Day to get the more marked off. These chairs, they're only like $11 off. They're $39 a piece. This is the last gazebo that they have, and it's been sold. So I guess they haven't had a chance to come get it yet. And this is what it looks like. Metal roof, 10 by 10. I've showed it before on my channel. Great to have. Don't buy no more of those fabric ones because they fade in the sun. You have to get a replacement canopy. They don't hold up well in the wind and the storms that we have. This was $68, now it's $50 for 2-tier bar carts. Some string lights, about $5 off, not a lot. 2-piece swivel chairs, may have taken almost $50 off, not a lot. This is some ice chest, may have taken about $40 off. Show you guys a couple of grills that I saw. I'm not sure how much is off. They took $100 off of this grill. This is what it looks like. This one is a Weber. They took almost $500 off of this grill. Should have been priced at that in the first place, but here we are in this economy we have. This is grill charbroil, knocked off about $200. Another charbroil, they knocked off about $225. Knocked off about $225 on this one. If you're gonna get a grill, get a stainless steel grill. They hold up better in the elements. This one, these are stainless steel. Stainless steel. Get you a stainless steel. I'm not knocking these, but these will rust on you. Cover or not. Sometimes that cover get blown. But if you're gonna get anything, get you this Weber or get you these stainless steel grills. They hold up better in the weather. And you can probably always get replacement plates, grill plates. All these charbroil, get you a stainless steel grill. These grills like this will rust on you. These hardly ever go on sale because they're the flat tops and you can use them year round. And they went up too. But yeah, grills like this, they're gonna rust on you. Trust me. Even this, Big Joe's, Oklahoma, it's gonna rust on you. You're really gonna have to put it in your garage, store it away from the elements of the rain, the snow, and you'll be okay if you just roll it into your garage or have a good covered patio. But if you don't, it's gonna rust on you. But that's all I see in Lowe's. I want to show you guys for the clearance and patio and grills. Well, here's another aisle I see. They're getting ready to mark more things down. 75% off. Here's a slate coffee table. Took about $30 off. Took about $30 off of these benches. Took about $40 off of this bistro table. So just walk around if you have time and check out your Lowe's, and definitely go see them around Labor Day. This is taking over $100, maybe $130, $140 off of that. That's the expandable table. This took $40 off of a round table. Some cushions that they are marking down. Head over to your Lowe's, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more deals. I like going to Lowe's, Home Depot. I love showing you guys the clearances and do some shop with me, decorating, gardening. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for all who are sticking with me and having patience with me as far as me trying to get out and get more videos out to you guys. Thanks for watching.